Hi everyone, I'm Nellie, the Marketing Director at Timeless Treasures Fabrics. I thought it'd be fun today to share an unboxing of one of our latest collections, Rain Blossom by Chong-a Hwang. I love this group. It features Chong-a's signature bright colors and blooms. It's perfect for spring. We definitely need a dose of color these days with happy colors and watercolor washes. Let's start with the 24-inch panel. It is continuous yardage, so there are no cutting lines printed on the panel itself. It's very large. The blossoms are very large scale. If you take a look at this center blossom right here, it's about the size of my hand. There are no cutting lines, like I said, on the actual panel itself, but we do have little scissors on the selvage to help you with cutting if you want individual panels. So it's perfect for panel quilts, but I have seen some fabulous garments made out of this fabric using continuous yardage. We also have some beautiful coordinating prints. First up is this blossom print, which is very similar to the panel, except that the scale is a little bit smaller and the ground is more open, less packed. And the background has some beautiful line drawn, sketched blossoms and flowers, but also in that same rainbow wash colorway. We often offer a stripe to complement our collections, and this one is one of my favorites. Of course, I love the rainbow and everything in color order, but if you take a closer look, you can see that there's this wonderful hand-painted texture in the stripe. It's not flat, so it gives it a lot of movement, even though it's a stripe. And here, to contrast a little bit, it's a swirled stripe. There's an amazing ombre effect with the swirls. I really love the bold colors and the texture movement in here. And then we have these packed blooms in blue and pink. I'm showing you the pink one. They are great for fussy cutting or adding some color, interest, or texture to a project. It's got some pink, orange, and yellow in here. The blue one has blue, purple, lavender, gorgeous. Continuing with the floral theme, we have these beautiful romantic lilacs, so timely with spring. These are done also in a loose painterly style, but you can still see a lot of the detail in the flower buds and the leaves. And here are two other floral pieces that are less packed. They read more as a solid, and we have it in two color waves, and a blue background and a purple lavender background. And who doesn't love an adorable bird? I know I love birds of any and all kinds, and these little chirpy birds are super cute and can be used in so many different ways. They're also done with the painterly stroke that's in the collection, and with whimsical watercolor swatches with some line drawn flowers sketched in the background here. And of course, we've paired the collection with selections from our Solidish line with Kimberly Imo. First, we've got Citrus, which is a lovely lime green tone. Lemon, which is our yellow. Pansy, which is this periwinkle blue. I love this shade of blue. And Lemonade, one of my personal favorites. It's not just a pure pink. There are these beautiful golden highlights that are really perfect with this collection. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this group. It's Rain Blossom by Chong-a Hwang. The entire collection is available now. Let us know which is your favorite or favorites. We'll check in with you soon. Thanks so much.